Playing my season, got it started. I went in the cultivation and season of the harvest. I should be a motivation. Playing my season, got it started. I went in the cultivation and season of the harvest. I should be on my mama and with confidence. I'm dying for my respect. I'm dominant, I'm conquering these lies that y'all project. Y'all incompetent, it's my position to put you on your neck. The vision behind this 5% is clearer than the rest. They dumb, deaf, and blind and just out trying to get a check. It's about building a foundation that's more solid than the rest. So much knowledge in my mind, I swear to God, he in the flesh. What I want out here is mine, yeah, my mind I manifest. Diamonds round my neck, llamas, case of drama, I'ma line them, fail the test. Ain't selling out behind no commas, that's a problem, nigga. Step being modest, I'm the best. If I'm honest, then you garbage, nigga. Say it with your chest. Matter of fact, say less. Losing weight look like you're stressed. Went away and came back like I never lost a step. Now they seeing all this money and they haven't lost a breath. This shit deeper than money, dumb and calm at its best. Playing my season, got it started. I went in the cultivation and season of the harvest. I should be a motivation. Playing my season, got it started. I went in the cultivation and season of the harvest. I should be got no love for the money, I just use it as a tool. Chasing cheese, you in the rat race, can never play the fool. They try and divide and conquer, ain't persuaded by the news. Dog, we need our own laws, cause they ain't playing by the rules. Integrity and principle ain't moving like a goon. So the shorties all over me, they loving how I move. Everything all white, a touch of Carolina blue. And that A, they showing love, I heard in Carolina too. If life's rolling dice, watch me shake 'em up, shake 'em. Shake your money maker, baby girl, you better break 'em. Stand for something, fall for nothing, they take it there and take 'em. With peace is how I greet my brothers, assalamu alaikum. Bullshit and negativity, stay away from. These morals and these principles, you better not stray away from. Bullshit and negativity, stay away from. These morals and these principles, you better not stray away from. Playing my season, got it started. I went in the cultivation, cause I'm cultivation, motivation. Playing my season, got it started. I went in the cultivation, cause I'm cultivation. Got it started.